Parking brake off. Take off.
Stabilized.
Manual flex 55 SRS runway. Auto thrust blue.
Checked. Power set.
Check.
100.
Check.
V1. Rotate. Positive climb.
Gear up. Nav green.
Check.
Autopilot 1.
Check. Landing gear is up. Master warning, engine 1 fire.
Manual target.
Check.
I have control and communications.
You have control and communications.
Control Air Portugal 01 declaring emergency with an engine fire. Heading green.
Checked.
ECAM actions.
Engine 1 fire. Thrust lever 1 idle.
Confirm.
Confirm.
Idle.
Engine master 1 off. Confirm.
Confirm.
Off. Engine 1 fire push button push. Confirm.
Confirm.
Push. Agent 1 discharge. Discharge. ATC notified.
It's notified.
If fire, Agent 2, red, land as soon as possible, change to amber. Fire is out.
Checked.
Engine 1 shut down.
Standby ECAM actions. Vertical speed pushed. Vertical speed 0.
Checked.
Flaps 1.
Speed check. Flaps at 1. S speed.
Flaps 0.
Speed check. Flaps at 0.
Altitude pull. Green dot checked. Managed. Thrust MCT. Thrust MCT. Open climb. Auto thrust white.
Check.
Pack 2.
Pack 2 is on.
Continuing ECAM actions.
Engine 1 shut down. Engine mode selector ignition. Ignition. Full cross feed on. On. Avoid icing conditions. Engine 1 shut down. Clear.
Clear.
Amber. Land as soon as possible.
Checked.
Secondary failures. Air bleed. Loss of bleed 1 and pack 1. Air bleed. Clear.
Clear.
Electrical. Loss of generator 1, generator 2 supplying AC bus 1 and 2. Galley is shed.
APU master switch on.
APU master switch is on. Electrical clear.
Clear.
Hydraulic. Loss of green engine pump 1. PTU supplying green hydraulic system. Hydraulic clear.
Clear.
Status.
Standby status. Read after takeoff checklist.
After takeoff checklist. Landing gear up. Flaps. Retracted packs. 1 on. Baro ref.
Set.
Set. After takeoff checklist complete.
Read status.
Status. Avoid icing conditions.
Checked.
Cat 3 single only. Inoperative systems. Wing anti-ice. Cat 3 dual. Engine 1 bleed. Pack 1. Main galley. Generator 1. Green engine 1 pump. Status clear.
Clear.
ECAM actions completed.
I have control, you have communications.
You have control, I have communications.
Start the APU.
Starting the APU.